What's going on, everybody? Pro Trader Mike, founder of MOJO Day Trading. Welcome to the Morning Buzz on the Mojo Show. And kick it on up, show you what's going on with the stock market. Hey, Bobo Snare. Got my boy down there. Uber made a beautiful run just now through $38. Got a lot of Heinzers on the list today. Got Uber and Walmart. $100 on Walmart and CVS. Yes, up there. $54 on CVS. There. Uber Duber today. It's going to be a many good trading day on the Uber through 38, through 39, through 37. GBTC, Bitcoin made a tremendous run yesterday through $10 for the Mojo team. We picked this thing at $4.90. You could see it made a beautiful move through 10. It's at 1060 now. Bitcoin is at 8,000. If you watch my show from 2 days ago, I spoke about Bitcoin and how it's breaking out, and everybody should get involved with that. Hope you did and listened to me. Go over to my Twitter. I just came on the air. See that? 2,000 people. All right, so my last show, we're ripping it up in the pre-market. Let's see here. Let me scroll back a little bit. Got to find my last show. Actually, let me go to my YouTuber. Some good ones today. Right here. Could have been on this one, the SPY. One before last, maybe. In this one. I went down the entire list, explained the E-minis. Could be right here. Yeah, let's listen. I think it was the one before this one. It was this one with the trading competition. I think this is it. I go through every one on the list and I tell you exactly where they're going to be going to. I'll have to look back for that, and I think I hit every single one of them. It was a super. Bobo. So let's check out what we got going on this morning. On the Morning Buzz. Morning Buzz, we have, if you're a good stock trader, join this competition. Not much time left. 10 funded traders are going to get a $240,000 trading account. This comes down in a couple of days. Walmart home delivery. Walmart does a delivery battle change. The charts and the indicators. Story continues. Walmart does a delivery battle change. The charts and the indicators. Walmart is our stock of the day. Fighting back against the ever-changing world of retail. Right now, demand's getting something delivered immediately, if not soon and for free. Nearly every shopping website now offers free shipping, and they promote it vigorously on TV. First trend I see is an uptrend from last May. Price is sharply correct. Bing, 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 bing. It's right around 100 Heinz. It's a good number. A lot of X's and O's on that. Here, Walmart can see an upside projection of around 121 and a breakout at 106. Sparks the bulls into action. Better ask somebody. I like that. So we want to set we're going to trade it all. We're going to have to set a trigger. We know that stock. Got it on my list right there. It's at $100. And Binance is to undergo a system upgrade tomorrow, and trading will be halted. Right there, Binance going to halt trading tomorrow. I got the open chat room. Come on by the MOJO Day Trade room right there, open chat. Ron, co-founder, leaves the project. A couple of stocks moving yesterday. Bitfinex. All right. Let's see what's hot on the watch list this morning. SAEX is the number one gainer on the NASDAQ. $4.05. Yesterday it was $3.50. WISA. WISA. $1.99. Summit Wireless Technologies. 10,200 traded. Right at Heinz 2. Hoth. HOTH. Hoth Therapeutics. Base pattern on the daily. A lot of upside there. Remark Media. Remark Holdings at $1. KNDI. $5. Ooh, that got bashed all the way down here to $4.40. PTI. Another base pattern at $1. LIQT, Riot, 480. Riot and Mara and FTT are all up today, but they got really wild yesterday and sold off. If you look at Riot right here, on the 15-minute, it went up in the morning to a 488. Well, if this number's correct, I'm going to be freaking. 488. I can't remember someone's name to save me. But somehow I can remember numbers if I look at them just once like that. I saw what the high was. Yes, I remember. And then it dropped all the way to, don't tell me here, 428. No, 435. Thank goodness. 433. Thank goodness I didn't get that. But that's a 50-cent drop. And then it went all the way back up to close at 450. That's, big volatile move right there. It's like Varingo, the old days. Versus GBTC, if you look at that on the 15-minute, it's just much easier. Constant trend up. Nothing like the Riot. Big swings down. GBTC was much, much more solid. You guys is 26.90 headed into 27. Look at that. Natural gas came off a bleak, where was it? 23.90 was the low. You guys are doing good. UVXY. Yesterday, let me show you the 60-minute chart. So, here's UVXY. So you're a long-term investor. and you buy it right here at 35. You're like, cool, look, it's going to break out. It goes to 43. Then it comes back down to 39. You're like, oh, I'm only up a little bit. Then you're like, oh, cool, I'm really smart. I'm at 46. And then it comes all the way back down to where you bought it at 35 again. And then it goes all the way back up to 44 and back down to, up in that. There's no long-term investing. It's one day you're up 10%, one day you're back down even, the next day you're down 5%, the next day you're up 10%. It's the history patterns and the way people invest and trade nowadays. Those days are becoming to an end. People need to learn how to trade, take the profits when they're there, and not have any rules as far as settlement affect you on what you're doing. Let me show you a learning board on variance. Let me see. How to beat variance in poker. If the people who are out there think poker and trading are alike, look at this article right here. This poker player, variance, call him John. See John right there? Let's call him John. John plays 100 hands. Okay, let's put the numbers together. We ask him for 1 month to actually write down his results on 100 hands. And he produces this chart. And here's 100 of them. 50, 80, 180, and lost, nothing. Lost 190. And these are his wins and loses. For a 100-hand stretch on 40 numbers, it's exactly $2,000. But for individual stretches, his results range from 340 losses to $640 wins. We can expect John to win $50 on every 100 hands, but let's take a closer look at his variance. So this is right here on 100 hands, playing his system. His win rate, his standard deviation, and the number of hands played for 1 month is 4,000. And over those hands, his 4,000 hands, he does not make a profit 9.2% of the time. Versus 40,000 hands, the probability of John losing money over 4,000 hands is 38%. Hold on, it's down here. The chance of losing money on 400,000 hands is 0.08%. So on over 10 months. So on 400,000 hands, the chance of him losing money is tiny, 0.08% versus, I think it was 38%. Versus 9.2% that he doesn't make a profit. The other is 0.08. You could see the difference. The chance of winning an amount somewhere between 7,350 and 32,000 is 95% chance. It's called variance. And I have a new toolbox sheet right here that I'm testing with myself and a couple of traders. And on the back of it, It's blank now, but these rules of trading and this system that I've developed is going to be written on there, and it's going to become available for traders. So we'll let you know how it works. It's in the beta test phase right now. And it's based on variance to produce anywhere from $5,000 to $9,000 a day in profits by filling in this sheet with parameters that I'll speak about at a future time. Can't reveal all the goods. But Uber, beautiful move through 38. Uber's going to be a beautiful trader today. Wanted it through Heinz 38. Kind of missed it right there. See it? Went really strong through $38. Hasn't really stopped. Uber Duber. Bitcoin, quite the run. Made a great move on OMCGO. OMG. Could have held it longer, but I. This is Bitcoin's at 80, 8104. Right here. OMG is $1.78. I sold it at somewhere. I had it at cheap. Search. Here it is. Here's my trade on OMCGO. I had it at 157. I sold at 177. And it's at, cool, 178. So I did really good there on 26,000. I built off 151 into 160 right there for an average of 157 and sold it for a $5,271 profit or 12.86%. And a hedge at that time with Bitcoin at 69.46, up $10. So those were closed, and then I went long Bitcoin through 7,000 all the way up to 8,200. So that was nice. That was OMG. And another good one is BTG. I got that through Heinz 22, went to 23 and $24. I traded through Heinz 22, went to 24. OMG is was $1.87 actually. Went to big move, almost $2. Last time I traded OMG was through Heinz 2 when I sold it up into 260 on OMG. Right here. Coins. Bitcoin is at 8170. Here's the OMG. It's not oh my god, it's Amizgo. It's at 183. If you look back over the last 1 month, it made a move right up here into 260. 3 months. Right here, it went right through 239, came all the way back down to $1.50, and then I bought it off there, and it's $1.80, just like a stock in the stopping stations. Signal at 38.42 on Uber right there. UPS, I like that one today, is 99.90 to go through 100. CVS at 54. A lot of good ones today. CGC at 45. Some of the weed ones have really gotten bashed down. Due for a little bit of a rebound. See what happens with those today. If so, AF is a good trade through 7. And see if Crone dips down to 14.30 and then comes back up here later in the day at 15. So that's variance based on this, and variance is a bitch. It says it right here. The reason why variance has such an impact is win rate. A decent online player might win 5 per 100 hands, maybe 8 per 100 if she's really brilliant and playing at a relatively low level. While in theory it's a nice number, only a tiny fraction of the player's standard deviation over 100 hands. That means variance will kick you in the butt every now and then, but there's not much you can do about it. Your win rate is simply too low to negate big downswings with a couple of hundred hands. You might need thousands to recover from your downswings. So you need an edge. You need to win more and have an edge than losing more, and then variance kicks in your favor. Getting your variance under control is to play more hands or more trades. Almost all professional grinders play tens of thousands of hands per month. Some even play more than 100,000 hands. If you're winning and accumulating more hands, it will inevitably reduce your impact of any short-term variance. See, the chance of getting stuck, 4%. Very, very little. Chance of losing money, 8.08%. Tiny. Cool. Great article right there. Got A Bio came all the way down from 18 to 12. You know which one came down huge? Besides A Bio, it was 18 the other day, and now it's 12. But what came down big was on my list here. Where is it? Tiger. IGR. Look, it's $8. This thing was hot last week at 17. IGR. I like this one. Tiger. That makes a nice little rebound back up. IGR. See that one? 8.12 to 14. Now, what's going on out there, peoples? DBVT is up 66 cents. Ooh, that one got bashed too, but it gapped up higher. 7% gap up. Yay, crushed. Oh, but not really, because it was down here and it went up. Everyone needs one of these to trade with. If you don't have one of these, I don't know what you're doing, because I don't know if your hands sweat or things happen like that to you with the trading, but they do for the Moj. UPS right at $100. It's actually 100 bid. Someone trying to buy it. UPS looks pretty good today. We traded it yesterday. What's this? AUDC. Similar pattern, up 50 cents. CYBR 128. Riot 480. Riot may go into $5 today. You never know. Ooh, GE 997 for 10. I like that. All the way down to 982, 977, and 983. So we got to get G at 983, and it'll bounce again. G right at $10. Last time it went through 10 on a green day right here. It went, nope. Nope. No, it goes up 17 cents. 20 cents. And it's already up 12, so it can only go to 10.10 or back down to 9.80. That's what every bar is, 20 cents. You could see it. Got some people watching on the show today. Welcome, everybody. Hello. 9:02. About to end it. Nothing's really going on. Yahoo front page ain't really doing shit either. Not much going on but Bitcoin talk, and I already talked about that 2 days ago. They're talking about it now. It's, already made its move. Walmart launches free delivery next week. Uber blame game focuses on Morgan Stanley. Yep. Buy the Goldman. Buy the dip, Goldman. Yeah, buy the dip, Goldman. Gotta do something with the money. Citigroup to vastly expand India reach with pay. Oh my God, pay time. You see that, dudes? You want to see something amazing? Look, you want to know why they're going to expand India reach? Hey, you guys on the day trade room, you want to know why they're doing that? It comes from my story the other day. Right here, look. Overstock website. Right here, look. You go into the website traffic and you see the engagement and the buying per visitor. You could see India is up 46.72%. Look, India, 46% reach and increase in traffic by country. So that's why they're doing it, dude. See that? And then you go eBay, analysis, eBay, right here. And here's eBay, their engagement. You could see 248 more. But another one had India too. They're all down for eBay. And that's why they're going after the India. Maybe we should look at some India stocks. India Globalization, ICG. No longer a stock. But I had ICG, India Globalization. I'll show you. Maybe it's IGC. Yep, it's IGC. Right here. India Globalization provides civil engineering for India private and public markets at 48 cents on 2015. Look at what now it is. IGC. It's right here at $1.22. India Globalization, and it looks prime to go higher. Base down here at 124. Dude, this is a new swing pick Mojo got ahead of the game. Days ahead of the game. Weeks ahead of the game. India Globalization at $1.24. Going to be a new swing pick for Mojo. Let me write that down. $1.24. See that? MOJO Swing Trade newsletter pick 3 years of great earnings from a loss of 250 to 32 cent to 37 with other to a real 37 loss. Last quarter was 999% with a record 2.5 million in sales with a small float of 15 million. Used to be a $10 stock and a $26 stock. Mini Heinz 50 cents, starting a small position here during the week. Do the same thing now right here at $1. That's what we got going on. Take one last look down the list, see what we got going on, and we'll end it. UV's 42.30. Look at the 5-minute. So we bounced off 41.60, went through 42. We're at 42.30. The top's 42.40 right there. GBTC's going to 11. IBM. Intel at 45. Intel's really good stock right here for a rebound at 45. Right here around that number. Intel at 45. Boom, 108. No way. I got a friend that has this stock. I told him I would update him if anything. I've seen it move. Boom. Alrighty, and that's it. I wish everyone a really, really amazing, profitable day. Thank you for stopping by the show, and I hope you liked it. And I did well with the Bitcoin and my other picks the other day. Rocking and rolling, big time.